Defendants with qualifying mental health diagnosis in the Panhandle have an option other than serving jail time after committing a crime.
Thanks for joining us tonight after the closing ceremony. KAMR Local 4's Kaylee Green breaks down the Panhandle Regional Problem-Solving Court and their aim to break the cycle with restorative justice. That top story tonight from your local election headquarters.
The program was born after 47th District Attorney Randall Sims's cousin was arrested and released from the Potter County Jail without the medication she needed.
When I say she went off the deep end bad, she went off bad, and she needed a lot of medications. So somebody's got to do something because they're walking out the door with nothing.
For the past 6 years, Sims's office worked with offenders who qualified to get the help they need through Texas Panhandle centers. The program was successful with a 70% graduation rate.
Some folks don't need to go to jail, they need help. And that's what this is built behind.
Now, with approval from the Texas Office of Court Administration, the Problem-Solving Court can apply for grants and serve the region. And the DA's office only decides who qualifies.
Once the defendant is accepted into my court, their criminal case is stayed, and as long as they comply with their treatment plans and complete the requirements of my court, at the end of their time in my court, they graduate and their criminal charges are dismissed. So they don't have a criminal record for that event.
The court, now overseen by Judge Matt Hand, operates out of the Potter County Court at Law No. 2.
And I'm the ultimate accountability coach, because not only do I encourage them to comply with their plans and do what they need to do to get better, I can send them to jail if they don't.
Lisa Ricketson, a licensed professional counselor who works with inmates, says they often see the same people coming back to jail.
This just provides them more support. So if they need to get into TPC services, or they need vocational help or housing, or maybe even drug rehab counseling, or mental health counseling, that will be something that's addressed by the court, and they'll get them into the appropriate services for those needs.
Ricketson says defendants are connected with necessary resources to succeed, including stabilizing medication.
That can make a huge difference in somebody's life, so they are able to be productive. They're not self-medicating. They're dealing with those issues that they've been avoiding their whole lives that have been causing them problems.
Our hope is if we can get them stable and in a better place, we break the cycle and they don't come back, meaning that we're not keeping them in jail.
Judge Hand says the program reduces the jail population and the crime rate.
And we allow these people to move on with their life. They're not losing their jobs, they're not losing their homes, and it's really a win-win for the taxpayers, the defendant, justice system, and it's a great opportunity.
In Amarillo, Kaylee Green, KAMR Local 4 News.
That court joins the county's other two recognized specialty courts, including the Potter-Randall County Drug Court and the Panhandle Regional Veterans Treatment Court.
The Potter County Commissioners Court passed a resolution to start the process of the Problem-Solving Court becoming a recognized specialty court last year. To see our full interview with Judge Hand about Problem-Solving Court, head over to our website, myhighplains.com.